Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, today with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. You know, we labeled this helmet graphic of the week, but it's never of the week. It's like maybe of the week, maybe of the month, maybe of the 6th month. Nevertheless, inside my fly racing helmet garage, we have something extraordinary. It's mind-blowing. When you see it, you're going to want one, but now here comes the tragic news to follow. No matter how bad you want it, odds are by the time you see this video, all these motherfuckers are going to be sold, right? In their infinite wisdom, they made this a very limited edition. There was one small production run and they were all sold pretty much by the time they landed. My hope is that our good friends at HJC respond to the demand for this kick-ass ARFA 1N Quattraro Le Mans helmet and make another production run to satisfy all the pent-up demand. This thing is sick. It's got the Monster logo on the side. I'm a sucker for anything Monster, 100%. It looks amazing on the helmet. This helmet's so cool, it makes you forget that Quattraro is getting his ass kicked in MotoGP right now. You know, it is what it is. The Ducatis are dominating. Remember, this is also going to ship with a dark smoke screen, has that nice spoiler on the back. And if you see this and you're like, dude, I wish I could have gotten one of these for myself, maybe you should send an email to our friends at HJC, and if they get enough in their inbox, they'll make another production run.